What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Alex Costa and today I'm going to teach you how to save money and look good at the same time. Because haircuts can get pretty expensive. Depending on where you live, they can cost between $20 and $100. So if you're trying to look fresh at all times, especially if you have a nice fresh fade, then you probably need a haircut every 2 to 4 weeks, which means you're spending all of that money just to maintain your hairstyle. So how do we prolong that feeling of a nice fresh cut? Well, I'm gonna give you guys 5 tips that will help you maintain that feeling of a fresh cut. Tip number 1, trim the hair around your ear. When your hair is long on the sides and it goes over your ear, people can clearly see that you're in need of a haircut. So what you need to do is make sure that your hair is not going over your ear, right? And sometimes you can apply some product, pull it back, and you're good. But a lot of times that's not enough and people are still gonna see that your hair is too long on the side. So grab a trimmer. I use a couple of different ones. This one is from Braun. I've had it for about a year now and it gets the job done. Put your hair over your ear and start trimming from the front all the way to the back. And you're going this direction to make sure that you can see what you're doing, all right? Remember that it's always good to be conservative here and start with just a little, and if needed, you can always go a little bit higher. Just do that on both sides and your hair is gonna look 100 times better already. Tip number 2, shave the back of your neck. Now some guys have a really hairy neck or are hairy in general and they need to get that shaved and cleaned up a few days after they get their haircuts. Others are a little bit luckier and they can wait until their next haircut to get cleaned up. I unfortunately definitely grow a lot of hair back here, so I can't wait until the next cut. So I actually do it myself in between all of my haircuts. Grab a small mirror and then stand in front of your big bathroom mirror. Now turn around and use the reflection on both to see the back of your neck. Then grab a razor and start shaving. It's kind of weird at first, it's kind of hard, but you get the hang of it after a little bit. And today's video is sponsored by the Dollar Shave Club, and I've been using their razors for months now, okay, because they don't give me razor bumps, and I hate razor bumps. They look nasty, they hurt, and they leave those red bumps all over your skin. And the best part really is the price. Razors are crazy expensive nowadays, and I have no idea why. It's just a razor. Why should I pay $30 for 8 razors that aren't gonna last me that long? You can get this whole kit here from Dollar Shave Club for only $5, and you get it shipped for free. It comes with the shave butter, which besides preventing razor bumps is also better than shaving cream because it actually lets you see what you're doing so you can shape your beard properly without making any mistakes. And it also comes with a sample of their body wash. It comes with some wipes for down there just to make sure that you're always fresh and ready to go. And of course, their signature executive razor and 4 razors that should last you a while. And after that, razors are just a few bucks a month. So no need to spend that crazy amount, $30 for 8 razors. That's insane. You can check out dollarshave.com/AlexCosta to get your shaving kit for only $5. Tip number 3, condition your hair and apply a hair mask once in a while. So many guys forget to apply conditioner to their hair and I don't know why. It makes your hair feel so much nicer. It makes it feel smooth, soft, shiny. But guys also forget that by conditioning your hair, it gets a lot easier to manage. So if you haven't had a haircut in a while, this will help you tame it. If your hair is dry and hard, then it'll be difficult to style it properly and make it look good. So yeah, shampoo your hair 2 or 3 times a week, but also remember to condition just as much, if not more. And if you want to go a step further, I would actually suggest applying a hair mask once a week as well. This makes my hair feel amazing, all right? You can get a mask from a brand like Moroccan Oil, or you can go for a natural coconut oil or avocado mask as well. Tip number 4, get the right haircut. Look, if your hair has all these intricate designs, maybe a well-done fade, hard parts, or hard edges, it'll make it way more difficult to maintain. So think about that the next time you're getting a cut, right? Do you want to or can you afford to be back in 3 weeks? Or would you rather go for something that's easier to manage and can give you about 5 to 6 weeks before your next cut? Make that decision beforehand, and then when you talk to your guy, make sure to let him know. Tip number 5, change your hairstyle depending on the length of your hair. For example, if your hair is too long, it's probably not gonna stand up all day because it's just gonna be too heavy. So if you're used to having a nice voluminous pompadour, your hair will probably be falling to the side 20 minutes after you style it. So what I would recommend is find a hairstyle that suits your hair length. All right, so I just did a hairstyle tutorial on a side swept look, which is a great hairstyle for you guys who have longer hair but still want some type of volume. And then look at some inspiration pictures online for medium to long hair and see if any of those styles suit you. Don't keep trying to achieve the same hairstyle that you had before because now your hair length is different, so your hairstyle should also be different. And if for some reason it's not what you want, just get it cut and you're gonna go right back to your old hairstyle. After all, it's just hair and it grows back, hopefully. Guys, don't forget to check out the Dollar Shave Club to get your kit for $5. It is so cheap for everything that you're getting, so it's really a no-brainer. Thank you so much for subscribing and becoming part of the YouTube family that continues to grow and amaze me every single day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.